raise this. All right.
I need a... Want to tell them what happened?
Well, we are fixing a steam boiler
right?
with a broken discharge
It just crumbled.
valve, and now we gotta
Now we gotta
fix
get
it.
her out.
Yeah, but you got it, man. Most
Yeah,
of it.
I'm getting
100 more heats and you should be good.
it. Can we get right in there with that video? See what we're doing. That's the old. See? She just crumbled. But it stayed, the thread stayed in there. So now we gotta get them out.
Come on.